are popular for our area. Now my father get the best ass, just that we never see come. Don't be joke now. I beg the ladies in the house, a round of applause for yourselves. You can clap for yourselves. I beg, I want beg you now. Not be everybody go school. The one that they speak English too much. As I just dey come just now, just see one girl. Now say, young lady, what's the name? The girl just look me, she say, well, as you can see, my name is Laka Sarah. I not just waste time. Now say, myself, I be Gala. Maybe they carry the name, they go. My good friend is here. His name is MC Tosa. Please, a round of applause for him. Don't be joke. Me and Tosa go comedy challenge. I come win 500,000 naira. I call the happy. Kidnappers, don't see what they want to do again. They go send a my brother. The kidnappers finish, they go to demand for 350 million naira. Then they demand for 350 million naira. Kidnapper go the flash mapper. 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 When my father check his phone, 1 billion missed calls. And then my father vex. Instead of my father to call kidnapper, and my father called the same kidnapper. Please call me. I love you. Now let them release my other brother when they don't see money again. Okay, wanna clap if it's funny. So go school good. If you know you're on undergraduate here, please a round of applause for yourselves. So go school good. If you go school study accounting, once you graduate, you become an accountant. Yes or no? Yes. But if you say you want to take out some work, now only that for you. Now let me be the truth. University student make some noise. Now only for Uniben, person go one go block us. Curtis go see block am for road. See my former director of social spray me now. I know say no be me get show. Okay, as at last week, I beg ladies in the house, I use God beg una. If you don't know the meaning of something, make una ask. You get one girl when I know they date. They date for short. Now go say, oh, really go on date for real life. Now go carry the girl. As you go the other things, I go say, me they give her 5 alive. We go to drink. Now go ask her one question. I say, baby girl, do you care for shawarma? The girl don't know the meaning of shawarma, not pay me. She say, well, as you can see, I don't take alcohol. Shawarma na alcohol. I see one fine girl there, the girl just laugh. I don't know whether I get a day. Baby girl, as at last night, I was reading the book of Numbers. Now you where they smell, look me so. I was reading the book of Numbers. Please, can I have your number? You know Jesus Christ turned water into wine. Can I turn you into man? Ladies and gentlemen, that's my time. My name is Gospel PARROT.
I'll be a fool to go.